Learn and grow on the Sadi Daddy Show. Hello there! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a balloon dog. Yes, those cute little balloon dogs that you can play with. First, I recommend you to watch my video that explains how to blow a balloon and tie it before you get to do this one. All right, I have a long balloon. It's not your average round balloon. You have to use the long one. And I have a pump. First, you're going to blow it up all the way almost to the end. Leave about 1 or 2 inches at the end of the balloon. Then you're going to tie it. All right, let's start doing our twisting. For the face, start with a 2-inch bubble. You're going to pinch the balloon and twist. Now hold it with one hand, and for the ears, we're going to do about 1-inch bubble. Pinch and twist. Hold it with the other hand and do another 1-inch bubble for the other side of the ear. Now we're going to fold it and do a lock twist by bringing the 2 bubbles together. When you do a lock twist, the balloon stays together, firm, and you don't have to hold it. Let's do the neck. About a 1.5-inch twist, bubble. And for the legs, about a 2.5-inch bubble. Pinch and twist. Do the same on the other leg by folding the balloon over. And right over here, where this bubble ends, is where you're going to pinch and twist the balloon. You can do this individually, pinching and twisting first, and then doing a lock twist, or you can do it together as one. So I'm going to pinch right here and twist. Now for the body, let's do about a 1.5-inch bubble. Hold it. I'm going to repeat the same steps that I made for the front legs on the back legs. And here it is. Here is my dog.
Please like and subscribe and stay creative.